Good morning, students. Happy Lodi to everyone. Hope you all are fine. Students, you know now, we have already done chapter 13, first exercise 13A triangles. Fine. So today I am going to start with the next topic. In chapter 13, we have two parts. First is triangle and second is quadrilaterals. Triangles we have already done. Today I am going to start with the concept of quadrilateral. Fine. So in the starting, you will not write anything. Put your whole concentration on understanding. Fine. After that, I will give you time for writing. Now, students, as you know, in maths, each and everything have meaning. All the terms have meaning. There will be no term in maths which is without meaning. Fine. So first of all, I am going to explain the meaning of quadrilateral. So if I am talking about quadrilateral, then this is formed by the combination of two words. Fine. Quad plus lateral. Fine. So in maths, quadrilateral word is formed by the combination of two things. First is quad plus second is lateral. Quad means four. Similarly, as triangle. Yes, Kaushlinder, you have any doubt?
मैम फिर ये आ रहा है कौन से में जाएंगे?
क्या?
मैम जैसे आपने क्वाड को अलग किया फिर लैटरल्स को अलग
ये
किया
कुछ
मैम
नहीं,
फिर
ये
आ रहा
दोनों
है
को ज्वाइन करता है, ये दोनों को ज्वाइन करता है. Okay.
यस मैम.
So now four and lateral word is used for sides. RI इन दोनों को क्या कर रहा है? ज्वाइन. Quadrilateral. Quad means four and lateral means side. So what is the definition? A four-sided closed is compulsory, not open. Fine. A four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilateral. This closed word is very much compulsory. Students, one more thing. Concentrate on this concept because you have same concept as it is concept in class 6th. अगर आपने इसको 5th में एक बार अच्छे से कर लिया, आपको 6th क्लास में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. जो आपकी एक्सरसाइज 13B है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इन क्लास 6th. फाइन. सो quad plus lateral. Quad means four and lateral means sides. A four-sided closed figure. This closed word is very much compulsory. So note down. After that, I will explain you the classification. As you have classification in triangle, scalene, isosceles, equilateral, acute angled. Similarly, we have classifications of quadrilateral. Note down. After that, write down in the chat box. Then I will start the new term, classification of quadrilateral. Yes, Raman?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
मैम आज लोहड़ी है तो हॉलीडे क्यों नहीं है हमको?
बेटा, I don't know. So students, note down, then I will start new concept. Fine. बेटा लोहड़ी की कहीं भी छुट्टी नहीं होती, कभी भी नहीं होती. हाँ, आज फर्स्ट टाइम थोड़ी ना हो रहा है, पर अभी भी आपको छुट्टी चाहिए. घर पे बैठे हो, कौन सा स्कूल आ रहे हो? Now the next is classification. Classification of quadrilaterals. Fine. Classification. What is the meaning of classification? Any students? Any student, if know what is the meaning of classification, then write them in the chat box. We have already done the classification of Kaushlinder. If you know, then write them in the chat box. Yes, Arav. Very good, Arav. Types. Classification means types. Yes. So, stop writing. Now listen. Quadrilaterals. Fine. Now, we have first of all, now I am going to explain by taking the example of one family. Let us suppose that you have one family. The name of that family is quadrilateral. Fine. जैसे आरव भारद्वाज है. Fine. Okay. अभिनव दुआ है. तो भारद्वाज is the name of surname ना, family name भारद्वाज. Similarly, let us suppose in maths we have one family and the name of the family is surname क्या है? Quadrilateral. Fine. In quadrilateral family we have three members. Main. In the top you have three members. Okay. The name of the first member is parallelogram. Fine. The name of the second member is trapezium. And the name of the third member is chi. जैसे होता है ना, आपके फादर, फिर आपके बड़े पापा, फिर आपके चाचा जी. फाइन. आप बोलते हो ना, हमारी फैमिली में थ्री मेंबर्स है मेन जो बड़े हैं, मेरे पापा, मेरे ताया जी और मेरे चाचा जी. फाइन. तो सिमिलरली in the family of quadrilateral we have three main members: parallelogram, trapezium and kite. Fine. Now in parallelogram family we have further two members in parallelogram family. Okay. Rectangle and square. तो फैमिली, बेटा फैमिली को माइंड में रख के इसको अंडरस्टैंड करोगे ना, कभी नहीं भूलेगा आपको. इन मैथ्स वी हैव फैमिली ऑफ फोर साइड्स. द नेम ऑफ दैट फैमिली इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल. इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल फैमिली वी हैव थ्री मेंबर्स: पैरेललोग्राम, ट्रेपीजियम एंड काइट. फाइन. पैरेललोग्राम की फर्दर फैमिली है. जैसे आप हो, आपके पापा मम्मा से नेक्स्ट आप आते हो ना, तो ऐसे ही पैरेललोग्राम से फर्दर एक फैमिली है रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर की. फाइन. एंड आफ्टर दैट बाय कंबाइनिंग रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर यू विल गेट, सॉरी वन मोर थिंग, सॉरी बेटा, नॉट स्क्वायर, rhombus. Here we have rhombus, not square, rhombus. Fine. So By combining rectangle and rhombus, we have one more, that is square. So this is the family of quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members. How many members in this family? 6 male members. Okay, let us suppose this is your grandfather, this is your mother, this is your father, and this is you. So try to understand by comparing this thing with your family. Fine. Now note down this classification in your notebook. Note down the classification in your notebook. Yes, Kaushalinder.
मैम काइट तो बुक में दिया ही नहीं हुआ.
ना दिया हो बेटा, वो कुछ कुछ बुक्स में मेंशन नहीं होता. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने बुक को देख के नहीं पढ़ाना, मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाना है आपको. ठीक है, सारी बुक्स वाले नहीं देते काइट. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वाड्रिलेटरल. So note down after writing, tell me, then I will start the next concept. So in MCQs, in fill in the blanks, in true false, you will get question from this chart also. How many members in a quadrilateral family? Then you will write we have total 6 members in a quadrilateral family. Fine. Now this is classification. We have done with definition. Okay, we have done classification. Now I am going to explain the elements. Elements of quadrilaterals. Elements or parts, say anything your wish. There will be no compulsion. Okay. This is classification, and next we have elements of quadrilateral or parts of quadrilateral. Next heading is elements or parts of quadrilaterals. Fine. Now I am going to draw one quadrilateral, koi bhi. This is my wish. Fine. Any four-sided closed figure. Any, look, in this we have 4 sides. So what is the name? The name is quadrilateral. Now I am going to explain the parts. Yes, Arav Mehta. Arav Mehta. Yes. Now I am going to assign name. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. Fine. Now, first of all, come to the number of sides. Yes. Any student tell me how many sides in this quadrilateral? Write them in the chat box. I am waiting. Very good. 4. Very good, Harshika. We have 4 sides in quadrilateral. Yes, Dipanshu, unmute yourself.
Hello.
You have any
Good morning,
doubt?
मैम. मैम नो मैम मैंने रेजन किया था मैम आंसर देने के लिए.
Okay, okay. Tell me number of sides in a quadrilateral.
मैम 4.
4. Name them. Name.
Yes, ma'am.
Name.
A
We have
A B C D.
A, B, C, D. Side is written by two alphabets. Side is always written by two alphabets. So first side is this. And the name of this is A, B. You will not say A, B, C, D. This is termed as side. This is side. So first of all, you have this side. And what is the name? The name is AB. This is AB. Fine. Side is always written by two alphabets. Next is this.
Okay, ma'am.
This. BC. BC.
Ma'am, then
Next
C
is
D.
this top. ये वाला. CD. And next is this thing.
D A.
Yes, DA. So we have four sides and side is always written by two alphabets. Fine. Now
Okay,
the
ma'am.
next is number of angles. Number of angles. How many angles in quadrilateral? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. So we have again four angles. Angle A. Symbol is very much compulsory. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So we have four angles. What is the name of this angle? Angle A. Symbol is very much compulsory. Now tell me one thing. Adnan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Adnan, I am saying whenever we will write angle, then this symbol is compulsory. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, because
But
it is the
if-
symbol of angle.
Yes, but if I write only this thing A, then what is this without symbol?
Ma'am, it's not an angle.
What is this?
Ma'am, it is a point.
It is a point or it is a corner of this quadrilateral. This is vertex.
Ma'am, yes.
This is corner or try to say vertex. Okay. So if I am talking about number
Vertex.
of vertices, the plural of vertex is vertices. This single is known as vertex. This single corner is known as vertex, but plural of vertex is vertices. Fine. So
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of vertices. Tell me, Adnan, number of vertices.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Fine. Name them.
Ma'am, A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D. Very good. So this is first vertex. This is second vertex. This is third and this is fourth. Corners. कॉर्नर्स बोलते थे ना छोटी क्लासेस में, बट अभी कोशिश करो कॉर्नर मत बोलो, यूज दिस वर्ड वर्टेक्स.
मैम वर्टेक्स.
हाँ वर्टेक्स. एंड अगर हमने इकट्ठा बोलना है इनको, फिर वर्टेक्स नहीं बोलना, फिर इसका प्लूरल बोलना है वर्टिसेस. फाइन. सो इन एंगल very much compulsory to put this symbol, the symbol of angle, because if you will not put this symbol, it means this is not an angle, this is a vertex. Fine. Very good, Adnan. Well done. Students, write down. After that, I will explain very important concept to you. Note down, and after writing, write them in the chat box. You have done? Now the next I am going to explain the concept of diagonals in quadrilateral. Now, this is A, B, C, D. Fine. Now, my next concept is diagonals. Any student know what is the meaning of diagonal? If yes, then write down in the chat box. Diagonal. Diagonals in quadrilateral. Any student, if no, then write down in the chat box. What do you understand by the term diagonal? बेटा फोर्थ क्लास में आपने किया है ये कॉन्सेप्ट डायगोनल का? Students, write down in the chat box yes or no. If no, then I am going to explain. No. Okay, fine. Fine. Now, put your whole concentration on understanding. Very important. 6th class में so many times you will observe this word diagonal. Fine. What is the meaning of diagonal? In a quadrilateral, a diagonal is formed by joining opposite vertices. What is diagonal? Now, this is D and this is B. Not Rachit, no, parallel nahi, not parallel. Okay? So stop writing here and put your whole concentration on understanding. Diagonal. In quadrilateral, diagonal is formed by joining these two opposite vertices. Opposite. Okay? So like this. This slanting line. Inside the quadrilateral, this slanting line is known as diagonal. So what is the name of this line segment? DB. So DB is first diagonal. Fine. Now student, tell me the name of second diagonal. This is first diagonal. D, when you join this D with B. Now, very good Ishmeet Singh, very good. Any other? Very good Sia, very good Adnan, Raiman, well done. Yes. Now, similarly join C with A like this. Then CA. So, in quadrilateral, we have two diagonals. Fine. In each and every quadrilateral, चाहे वो पैरेललोग्राम है, चाहे वो काइट है, चाहे वो रोम्बस है, स्फीयर है, रेक्टेंगल है, any quadrilateral, you have only two diagonals. Fine. And diagonal is formed by joining opposite. इसको opposite बोलते हैं. Opposite. Fine. This slanting line inside is termed as diagonal. So when you join this D with B, then this is DB. And when you join with C with A, then this is CA. So we have two diagonals. Fine. Now the next is Praveen, what are you writing here? 111E. What 111E? Now the next is angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Next we have angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Madhav, roll number 22, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Madhav, tell me the angle sum property of a triangle.
मैम मेरा एक डाउट था।
हाँ जी, पूछो बेटा।
मैम मेरा ये डाउट है, जैसे मैम आपने डायगोनल डी बी करवाया, मैम वो बी डी हो सकता है?
हो सकता है, बिल्कुल, आप उसको बी डी लिख लो।
थैंक यू मैम।
हाँ जी। नाउ टेल मी द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल।
मैम ए प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री।
वेरी गुड। जब हमने बेटा ट्राइंगल में किया था एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल वी हैव 3 angles 1 2 3 fine, then we write angle A, angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Very good, mother. This is the angle sum property of a triangle, but now I am going to explain the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, mother, we have how many angles? This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. We have just done now. In quadrilateral, we have how many angles? Madhav, we have how many angles in quadrilateral?
मैम 4.
4. Very good. We have 4 angles. Same like this. A, B, C, but along with D. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. But if the question is based on the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, then you will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, not 180, is equal to 360 degree. So देखो सेम है, प्लस किया ना हमने, बस यहाँ पे 180 था, यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 360. In this we have 3 angles, in this we have 4 angles. So concept is like the concept of triangle, but with the addition of one more angle. Fine. So note down. Very important. Students, note down. Properties I will explain next week. Now come to the exercise 13B. Come to the exercise 13B. Yes, Adnan.
मैम अगर क्वाड्रिलियन अलग शेप्स का हो,
क्वाड्रिलेटरल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल,
मैम क्वाड्रिलेटरल
जो मर्जी हो
मैम, जैसे रोम्बस हो
रोम्बस, रोम्बस क्वाड्रिलेटरल ही है अदनान, जो मर्जी हो, यही प्रॉपर्टीज लगनी है
मैम। यस मैम, तब भी आंसर 360 डिग्री रहेगा।
सारा कुछ कोई भी हो, ये देखो, चाहे आप ऐसे बनाओ, चाहे आप ऐसे बनाओ, चाहे आप ऐसे बनाओ, कोई भी 4 साइडेड फिगर क्वाड्रिलेटरल है। जहां भी आपको 4 साइड दिख गई, इट मींस क्वाड्रिलेटरल एंड सेम प्रॉपर्टीज आर एप्लीकेबल। चाहे वो स्क्वायर नहीं भी है, रोम्बस नहीं भी है, कुछ भी है। अब अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं तो ये, तो अगर मैं ये ड्रॉ करूं, ये लाइक दिस, दिस इज ऑल्सो क्वाड्रिलेटरल, ये भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल है क्योंकि इसमें 4 साइड्स है। यहाँ पे भी यही लग रहा है, A B C D 360। ये आपकी कोई रोम्बस रेक्टेंगल स्केयर के लिए नहीं है. दिस इज फॉर ऑल क्वाड्रिलेटरल, जो मर्जी हो. ओके,
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
दिस इज जर्नल फॉर्मूला. ये कोई स्पेशल रेक्टेंगल, स्फीयर, रोम्बस और पैरेललोग्राम का नहीं है. दिस इज एप्लीकेबल टू एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल. मींस जहां पे आपको 4 साइड्स दिख गई और फिगर मस्ट बी क्लोज्ड. दिस इज वेरी मच कंपल्सरी कंडीशन. ओके, नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 13b. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, do first question on your book. Come to the first question. Saksham, unmute yourself.
Good morning मैम.
Now first question is, a quadrilateral has dash angles. Tell me.
Ma'am, a quadrilateral has 4 angles.
Dash diagonals.
2.
Very good. Dash sides.
Ma'am, 4.
And dash vertices.
4.
Very good. We have just done, अभी हमने की है 4 angles, 2 diagonals, 4 sides and 4 vertices. अभी मैंने आपको पूरी explanation दी है इसकी. Fine. So note down this in your book. No need to do this sum in the notebook. Fine. Now come to the second question. Come to the second question. Second question is based on this. Now to solve the question number 2, third question is also based on this. Second question and third question both are based on this formula. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A is given to you. Angle A is 75 degree and angle B is also 75 degree. This is given in your book like this. Angle A, angle B is 75. It means AB 75 and BB 75. Now, angle B is given, C is question mark and angle D is 110 degree. Now the question is based on 4 angles, na? 4 angles. It means you will apply the angle sum property. जैसे बेटा ट्राइंगल में करते थे सेम वैसे हम ये सम सॉल्व करेंगे. सेम you will write here according to the angle sum property. Okay, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is 360 degree. Now put the values. A is 75, B is 75, C is, the question is to find C. C लिखना है C लिख लो, X लिखना है इसके प्लेस पे X लिख लो. This is your wish. कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. Fine. So angle C plus D is 110. Now 75 plus 75 plus 110. Add 75, 75, 110. 260 degree. 260 degree plus angle C is 360 degree. Now to find this angle C, shift this 260 to the right hand side and plus will change to minus. Same method as we have used in triangle. Recall. Now shift this 260 here and 360 minus 260 and you will get 100 degree. So like this you will solve the sum. Yes, very good Adnan. Yes. This is बेटा this is same as a triangle. अगर आपने triangle वाला अच्छे से किया था ना तो आपको यहाँ पे क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कोई प्रॉब्लम आनी ही नहीं है. 13B में सिर्फ उसी बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम आएगी जिसने 13A को अच्छे से नहीं किया. सेम रूल्स है, सिर्फ मॉडिफिकेशन है. ट्राइंगल में हमारे पास 3 एंगल्स थे, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 एंगल्स है. ट्राइंगल में हम 180 लिखते थे, यहाँ पे हम 360 लिखेंगे, बट द मेथड इज सेम मेथड. सो 75 प्लस 75 प्लस 110, तो ये 3 को हमने प्लस कर लिया. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू विल शिफ्ट 260 हियर. सिया, चेक योर कनेक्शन बेटा, चेक योर कनेक्शन. So angle sum property. Third question is same. Third question is same as second question. In third question आपको angles given है, name दे दो. Angle A 60, angle B 110, angle C 80. The question is to find fourth angle like this. The question is to find D. Same method you will apply in third question. Fine. Now start solving third question A part. Students, start solving. Rayman, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Rayman, my voice is not clear
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
and my video is not clear.
Ma'am, no, your video is also clear.
So students, please beta check your connection. Okay. Now Rayman, tell me how can we solve third question A part?
Ma'am, we will write according to angle sum property.
First of
angle
all,
A
Rayman,
plus
no
angle-
बेटा. First of all, आप ये लिखोगे angle A. Second question अगर मैं A part की बात करूँ, sorry, third question A part. So first of all, you will write the given. Angle A 60, angle B 110, angle C 80 and angle D X. ये आपकी बुक में गिवन है. और वन मोर थिंग बेटा, जरूरी नहीं है अगर मैंने B को 110 लिखे है तो आपने 110 नहीं लिख रहे हैं, आप कुछ भी लिख लो. Any, take any as A, any B, any C, any D, your wish. Now you will write the according to the angle sum property. Okay.
According to angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Then we will give the write the numbers under the symbols.
Yes, very good. So angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 110, angle C is 80, angle D is X. Why X? Because X is given in your book. Now students, same method, add all. Okay, add all. 60, 110, 80.
250.
Very good, 250. Plus X is 360. So X is